si Mark Lester Biraga. Ito po ang aking daily devotion. Ano ang contribution mo sa kaharian ng Diyos? Tinalakay po ni Pastor Russell Ocampo sa 365 daily devotion. Bible verse ngayong araw ay galing sa Revelation chapter 20 verse 1 to 6. Sabi po ay, "And I saw an angel coming down out of heaven, having the key to the abyss, and holding his hand a great chain. This is the dragon, that ancient serpent, who is the devil, or Satan, and bound him for 1,000 years. He threw him into the abyss, and locked and sealed it over him, to keep him from deceiving the nations anymore, until the 1,000 years were ended. After that, he must be set free for a short time. I saw thrones on which were seated those who had been given authority to judge, and I saw the souls of those who had been beheaded because of their testimony about Jesus and because of the word of God. They had not worshipped the beast or its image, and had not received its mark on their foreheads or their hands. They came to life and reigned with Christ 1,000 years. The rest of the dead did not come to life until the 1,000 years were ended. This is the first resurrection. Blessed and holy are those who share in the first resurrection. The second death has no power over them, but they will be priests of God and of Christ, and will reign with Him for 1,000 years." Sabi nga sa Revelation chapter 20 verse 1 to 6, binabanggit po dito ang isang napakahalagang kaganapan sa hinaharap ang tinatawag na millennium, o ang 1,000 taon na paghahari ni Kristo dito sa mundo. Ang millennium ay isang prophesied period kung saan si Kristo mismo ang maghahari bilang hari, isang panahon ng tunay na kapayapaan, hustisya at katwiran. Hindi na ito katulad ng mundong ginagalawan natin ngayon. At sabi nga sa first teaching, the reign of Christ is present and future. Habang inihintay natin ang literal na pagdating ng kanyang paghahari, ang katotohanan ay naghahari na siya ngayon sa puso ng bawat mananampalataya. Kapag tinanggap mo siya bilang Panginoon at tagapagligtas mo, hindi mo lang siya sinasampalatayanan, sinusunod mo na rin siya. Second teaching is, the reign of Christ is in heaven and on earth. Hindi lang siya hari sa langit, kundi siya rin ang hari ng ating buhay dito sa lupa. Lahat na nangyayari, kahit gaano kagulo o kapait, ay hindi nakakawala sa kanyang plano. At ang last teaching is, the reign of Christ is growing and transforming. Habang mas maraming taong nakakilala at tumatanggap kay Jesus, mas lumalaganap ang kanyang kaharian. Sa bawat pagsunod mo sa kanya, sa bawat pagpapatawad mo, sa bawat kabutihang ginagawa mo sa kapwa, nadadagdagan ng liwanag ng kanyang paghahari dito sa mundo. Yun lamang po.